Vetri IAS Study Circle, the best academy for competitive examination.
Good morning friends, I am Guru Prasad from Vetri IAS Academy, Chennai. I am a UPSC course coordinator and senior faculty for history. So today guys, we are going to discuss something very important. What is key to success? How to succeed? Take up one idea. Make that idea your life. Think about it. Dream about it. Live on that idea. Let the brain, your muscle, your nerves, each and every part of your body fill with that same idea. After having all these ideas, all you have to do is you should have the quality and the perseverance to achieve it. Same is applicable even for a civil service examination. You know, many students have qualities. They have the willingness to achieve. But many students, they do not make up in the merit list. After years of studies, we have understood one thing, that they lag in the basic preparation. That is in reading and understanding the topic. They get confused while reading. They get tired while reading. They don't know what to read. They feel that reading is literally time consuming. Guys, you cannot crack civil service examination without reading. Without reading, without understanding, no one can crack civil service examination. So all you need is the good strategy. See guys, our mind is very powerful. It is constantly functioning. Each and every moment creating new ideas. It is functioning even when you are studying. It is because of this unwanted thoughts you are not able to concentrate. Students are not able to concentrate in their preparation, or they are not able to concentrate in reading. If we train our mind properly, we can assimilate, we can visualize, understand and reproduce effectively if we train our mind. But how to prepare? So friends, IAS Gateway, an initiative by the Vetri IAS Academy, has started a new program, first time in India. It is Integrated General Studies Guidance Program, specially focusing on your reading skills. It's a prelim comes mains program. In this program, we are going to cover your entire syllabus of general studies. And in this, we are going to focus on your reading skills. The objective of the course, if you see, you will be learning the art of time management in reading. Read effectively in given time period. You will be reading what we say. You see this book, General Science? For reading this book, I am sure that students will take more than 10 to 15 days. But I assure you guys, you will be completing this book. If you take up this program, you will be completing this book just within 4 days with effective reading skills. So you will be learning the skill of reading more in less time. Along with that, you will be learning the art of effective writing and reproducing. So we are going to make you masters in reading. Our approach, how are we going to approach this course? You will be called on every Saturday and you will be reading in the classroom. It will be a subject wise reading from each general studies paper. You'll have a mentor who will be clearing your doubts on spot. It will be a topic and a subtopic wise revision plus discussion done by the mentor. In the end of the program, we will be conducting objective and a written test, which will help you to scale your progress each week. Guys, let me tell you, this is not the first time that Vetri IAS Academy is conducting this program. We had already conducted this program in March 2020 before the first national lockdown was announced. And we saw that more than 90% of our students, they got benefit. They were able to assimilate, they were able to understand, and they were able to reproduce properly on their paper. Even the most average student was able to get, he was able to maintain accuracy of more than 80% when it comes to solving objective type question. So guys, what are you waiting for? Quickly enroll in our classroom program, which is due to be held on the second week of June 2021. Thank you.
Vetri IAS Study Circle, the best academy for competitive examination.